This week, buy 20 rand airtime or data on the Nedbank Money app or online banking to stand a chance to win 2 domestic return economy class flights. Welcome to our fans on the TV. It's the DSTV Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 5, Kaizer Chiefs 1. I'm joined by UKG. T1T. Come by Jayam.
Ngimnandi. Namhlanje besibukela iMamelodi Sundowns University versus Kaizer Chiefs Primary School.
Yabona. Primary?
Yeah.
Hayi ndoda.
Ubonile lento esibonile namhlanje. Annihilation is total annihilation.
Yeah.
Annihilation out there. Mina ngivuka utshela into eyi-1. Yabona ubathese sikuvela.
Yeah.
Tashrik Matthews. I don't understand ukuthi uRulani. Why doesn't he believe in these boys? Why doesn't he believe in these boys? These boys beka bayenzeni namhlanje.
Bantswembu.
Beka bayenzeni namhlanje.
Bantswembu.
Tshela ngomkhulisi naye. Everyone like everyone was all over the park. That's why ngithi midfield Kaizer Chiefs. They're nowhere near each other.
Yes.
Nowhere near each other. Ba all over labantu laba. Balahlekile. That's why ngithi Sundowns sibuka icredit in all departments.
Yes.
They build from the back.
Yes.
They even combine ngaphambili.
Yes.
That's why ngithi most of our matches bangabukela most of our matches Chiefs.
Yeah.
Is Chiefs is a little block more than the Sundowns. And Sundowns even knew it's easy to beat these guys.
Yes.
It's very easy to beat these guys.
They are easy.
Because pocket after pocket after pocket.
Yeah.
After pocket. Because what they done but spread it immediately.
Yeah.
It was good bazi Chiefs yakuthi Chiefs bezolokhunja imaki. And the next thing what they've done they saw ama spaces bekulodge for instance individual brilliance repair individual brilliance.
Yeah.
Beka le run yenzile first half.
Top.
If I'm Usman it was a goal.
Yeah, exactly.
Ngiyathola
That's
why I call of the season la ibheka goal.
Ugaba ni man of the match.
Tashrik Matthews out there.
Matthews
Because they easy eskuval but to Matthews namhlanje amagalo akhe very dynamic very skillful is one of the best as he produces.
Ngiyabonga Njayam. Thank you.